Before I do my hair, I need to unbox the box. So, do you know what the box is? The box that I won from MICHE Beauty, from MICHE, is right here. MICHE. So, if you want to see what I got in my box, what I won in my box, I'm a winner. She's winning over here. Keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I notice is the receipt as well as the MICHE card. So it gives instructions on how to wash your hair and how to use the Intense Moisture Collection. And then it's filled with a bunch of styrofoam that I'm not going to take out. I started to. But yeah. So the first product that I see is this. And it's the MICHE Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray, a daily curl refresher spray and lightweight leave-in conditioner spray in one for all hair types. The polished hair and scalp oil made with argan and jojoba oil, a lightweight moisturizing oil blend for all hair types. I'm for it. Running out of oil, so thankful. This is the next product. So this is the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner made with raw honey and babassu oil. I love me a deep conditioner, so I'm excited about it. Yep. The next product is the MICHE Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I love a curl defining cream. I need to define these curls. Again, my hair has no product in it, so I feel that it's moisturized, but I need to use something in this line to just take it over the top. So this is the before. This is the before. The next product. This is the Strengthen Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. So it's very important to get the protein moisture balance in your natural hair, so your hair won't break off or become soggy from all the moisture. So this is good. This is the next product. It's the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter made with kupuaku butter and mango butter. So I have a hydrating and twisting butter, and I have a curl defining cream. So I'm interested to see which product, if not both, responds well to my hair. I'm excited about these. So I have two. This is the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner made with aloe vera, which I love, and avocado oil. I love that too. The 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. So I wonder, to start off, would I use this with this, or this with this, or this with this, or this with this. A bunch of combinations. So I think the last product, yep. The last product is the shampoo. So it's called Cleansed, and it's called the Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping hair and scalp of natural oils. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. 8 products for free. So I just really want to say thank you so much, MICHE Beauty. Thank you so much to the influencer. Oh my God. 1 second. So much J-Nail Nicole for picking me to be the winner of the MICHE Beauty products. I'm going to leave her information up here, or a picture of me, of the post where I won, and I am just so thankful, so thankful. It motivates me to keep going. Really appreciate it. And I'm just so thankful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which products you'd like to see first. So first, well, second, because first I feel like I'm going to do a tweet out. That's not even in my repertoire. I think that I'm going to do a braid out or a twist out with one of these babies. So I'm super excited. Like, I'm about to rinse my hair, wet my hair now. It's freshly washed, not with MICHE, but it's freshly washed, and I'm about to style my hair with MICHE Beauty. So be sure to turn on your post notifications to see my next upload. My next upload should be the MICHE Beauty. It should be. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Have you tried MICHE Beauty products before? Again, thank you so much, MICHE. Thank you so much, J-Nail. Thank you so much, J-Nail. And yeah, see you guys next time.